happy. I'm working as a managing director. I have attended many management and leadership programs in my life, but this is the one of the program which is with the such a simple terms and such a simple expressions. We are glued to the kind of listening to you day and day out.
Avadhut Sathe Training Academy.
So, not having the words to express my gratitude. It is such a fantastic decision I have taken. So I was actually taken the admission in a different course at the end of July, but I saw your ad on the eye opener and I attended that, and obviously it changed everything. To express my feeling further, that I have not asked any questions because a lot of questions are getting cleared by the monitor, and this system is working very fantastically well. And I'm so happy. I'm working as a managing director, having really busy schedule every day. But I can tell you that I'm so happy being busy as well, that I dedicate a lot of time to learning of these concepts and everything. And it is just a no words to express my feeling about what you're teaching and it is completely. I'm a kind of as a long-term investor, so it is right time I have kind of as a joined the ASTA. I will start kind of investing in the now stocks, and definitely it is a before I kind of did anything wrong, I have joined. So that is what I'm really happy. So, and one more thing I would like to share that I have attended many programs, management and leadership programs in my life, but this is the one of the program which is with the such a simple terms and such a simple expressions. You teach us that we are glued to the kind of listening to you day and day out. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thanks for the compliments. Yeah. And I'm sure, the journey is going to continue for long.
Yeah, absolutely. It is. It
Thank
will
you.
be. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Viraj. Thanks a lot. Yeah.
Become a pro, money will flow, the fastest way to grow. Avadhut Sathe Training Academy.
To register for our upcoming stock market eye openers, click on the link in the description box.